Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video I will be watching the song from Tudurum, and this was released when I was traveling, so I was not able to react to it upon its release, but now I'm back and I will finally watch the song. Of course, I've got a glimpse of the song on Instagram when they released it, but now this is a full 3-minute 40-second song, so it sounds great, like the hook step, and it seems so much cool because Mohanlal is dancing show and everybody is dancing, and it seems the vibe and the energy of the song is amazing. So yes, without dealing this any further, let's watch the song right away. The name of the song is Kondatam. I hope that's how it's pronounced, and yes, let's watch this video right away. MG Sri Kumar sir singing this. Alright, and Jakes Bajoy with the music. Let's go! This is very colorful already. The director is also here in the video. It's good. I'm sorry I'm pausing. I'll obviously after this I'll not. But it's just so good to see Mohanlal dancing like this. Oh my god, I love this. Okay, let's just go back. Really, we need to thank Tarun Murthy way too many times now for giving us this film. Let's go! Let's go! How much did the film collect in box office? Let me know. Let's go! This is so cool and fun!
Kanam logam sandoshathin kooda jnanam neeyum onnanada inni mannil janmam onne onnu oro naalum kondadada
கோபத்தின் பந்தங்கள் நீ அன்பாலே ஆற்றினம் எல்லோரே மின்னென்னும்
Amazing!
நாளை காணேனம்
Need to choose the fingers.
പൂരം ഇനി അറുമുഖനുടെ കാലം നടത്തെരു വിളക്കണ പൊടി പൊടിക്കണ കളവ കുങ്കുമത്തീമില മക്കളും ശരമണ മുരുകനുക്ക്
Let's go!
കൊണ്ടാടയ കൊണ്ടാടയ കൊണ്ടാട്ടം ശിവനുടെ തിരുവഴക് കാർത്തിക മുരുകനുക്ക് കൊണ്ടാടയ കൊണ്ടാടയ കൊണ്ടാട്ടം
Oh, Mr. Jakes is also there! Perfect! Awesome. Just awesome. But this is okay. Now there's a problem. This is by Sony Music, this video. So if you're seeing the reaction screen is completely blurred out, or you know that this video was getting blocked, and I had to do that intentionally. Otherwise, I wouldn't have been able to post the video. Just that disclaimer is given. Okay, let me stop this. So I know the success trailer is also out for this. If you want me to react to it, you can let me know. Otherwise, I'll watch it on my own, because I know I have to watch Something Fishy Karikka. They have dropped a new sketch, and when they had dropped it, the subtitles were not updated. And then I was traveling, and now I'm back. Now they are updated, so I will obviously make a reaction for that as well. But yeah, so any other pending things that I need to watch, please comment down below. I do plan to listen to all the songs from Del Kochi, so I'll make a separate reaction for that. So that's what I'm planning. And what else? Yeah, so these are probably something that are in the pipeline. Okay, sorry, I forgot to keep this on silent. Wait. Okay, sorry, my phone was not on silent. But oh, what a fun song! Of course, I had listened to, watched a glimpse of the song when they had released it, and I was like, oh my god! I had posted a story also that I won't be able to react to it. But the first thing when I came back, the first thing on my mind was I have to react to this song. I know I have to react to a lot of things, but in my mind, I was like, no, I have to first watch this song and record a reaction, because I've been itching to watch this song. And yes, the wait was completely worth it, because it's such a fun song. And not only is it fun to listen to, it has that energy and vibe, but it's just really, really amazing to watch. Firstly, Mohanlal doing all those steps, and Mohanlal and Shobna dancing together. I'm sure, like for me, who have not watched Malayalam films from, say, since childhood, but a lot of you have grown up watching, their films, I know the nostalgia must be hitting so hard right now after watching this. Not just the film, but the song also, and both of them shaking a leg together. I've reacted to a couple of their videos, like older songs as well, on this channel. So it's just amazing. Just the chemistry is chemistrying, guys, for both of them. Now, I just wanted to check who is the female singer. So lyrics by Vinayak Sasikumar, okay. Raja Lakshmi, okay, so she's the female singer here. And again, amazing Jakes, as usual, he has given. When the film, I watched the film, I actually messaged Jakes Bijoy on Instagram saying that, you were absolutely amazing curating the BGM for that, because it was that good. It was that good. I was like, I have to tell him that I loved the BGM. Loved the song, even the songs which were in between, they were able to encapture, he was able to encapture the emotions so well. It's just perfect. I just loved everything about this film. Really, there are no major negatives of this film, and I'm just so glad to see this becomes such a huge box office success, like something that we had wanted for Lalita during the release of Empuran. It did really great numbers at box office, but I think this was the character that we have been waiting for. We have been waiting to watch Mohanlal play these kind of characters, and it's just, he is the strongest when he's doing such roles, at least for me. That's just my opinion. I'm sure you have your own opinion, you might disagree with me, but just seeing him dance to the song, it was everything. It was absolutely everything. Just fantastic. Loved the vibe of the song. Loved, I don't know the meaning, obviously, because there was no meaning given, no closed captions given in here, but I just loved the whole vibe. The picturization was so colorful. Amazing to see that Tarun Murthy, he was also part of the video, he was also enjoying, and full credits to him for making this film. Amazingly done, amazingly executed. Thank you for giving us the character of Benz. And just amazing to see that he was like, okay, MG Srikumar sir, you have to be in the video, you have to sing. And it's just beautiful. This whole video came together really well. The song is such a vibe, and it's just making me happy to watch this. And I think there is a different kind of itch that got satisfied after watching this film, after watching the song also, and everything that I'm watching related to Thudarum. There is this another level of satisfaction that the cinephile in me and also the fan in me is getting right now. So, and I think a lot of people echo this sentiment as far as I know, but if there is an opposing opinion, please, you can of course write that down in the comments. And yes, that was the reaction to, let me just pronounce the name again correctly, Kondatham. Yes, Kondatham. I think that's how it's pronounced. So that was the reaction to the song, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this reaction. And I'm gonna sign off now, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye.